Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. Today I am going to teach you the creative questions of organic chemistry. And this question is related with the aromatic part of organic chemistry. And the stem is actually C6H6, benzene. Benzene reacts with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce B compound, and B compound reacts with the mixture of stannous and concentrated hydrochloric acid to produce C compound. So first I would like to write the reaction of the stem. C6H6, this is benzene, that's why I would like to write here benzene ring. Benzene, all of you know that each of the corner contains one hydrogen atom. Just to make you understand easily, I have written here hydrogen atom, but it is not necessary. Then this is nitric acid. My dear students, I discussed about the nitration reaction of benzene very broadly in my previous video lecture. That's why I would not like to describe it again broadly. I would like to just touch those topics, and I would like to focus the credit question, overall the credit question. So everybody look at the whiteboard. You know that this hydrogen atom of benzene combines with OH group of nitric acid. This is nitric acid. This is nitric acid, and this is benzene. Benzene to produce water, but you need not write here any water as byproduct. Actually hydrogen is replaced by nitro group to produce nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene actually, as per the stem, this is B compound. B compound actually indicates nitrobenzene, and again nitrobenzene is reduced. Nitrobenzene is reduced by stannous and concentrated hydrochloric acid. My dear students, it is noted that nascent hydrogen is produced by the reaction of stannous and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then nitrobenzene is actually reduced by nascent hydrogen to produce aniline or phenylamine. This is aniline plus water. As per the reaction of the stem, C compound indicates actually aniline. Now what is the question of C compound? I am going to describe the C question. The group bonded in the compound B. Here nitro group bonded in the nitrobenzene. The bonded nitro group is bonded with benzene directly, and nitro group is a deactivating group. You know that the groups which decrease the electron density in the benzene ring are known as deactivating group. Here nitro group is a deactivating group, and it decreases the reactivity of benzene ring. If you want to describe the reason of decreasing of reactivity of benzene ring, you have to show the resonance figure of nitrobenzene. My dear students, I am going to show you the resonance figure of nitrobenzene. Okay, my dear boys, you all of you know that oxygen has electronegativity. I mean, oxygen has capacity to pull the pi electron to itself. Here, the pi electrons are pulled by oxygen, and also the pi electron of benzene ring is pulled here. Nitrogen is bonded with carbon directly. That's why due to the pulling of bond pair electron, there will be a new bond. It will be nitrogen carbon double bond. And due to the pulling of pi electrons, oxygen becomes negatively charged ion, and as the carbon of this corner donates the pi electron, it becomes positively charged ion, and the another two double bonds remain unchanged. Another two double bonds remain unchanged. These pi electrons are pulled by again the positive charge, and again the double bond is moving here. Also the positive ion is moving with the double bond simultaneously, and this double bond remain unchanged as I didn't touch it, and the another part of the compound remain unchanged. And nitrogen, oxygen negative, and oxygen negative. Then again this bond pair electron is pulled by the positive ion. Actually the same matter is happening, repeat and repeat. My dear students, the resonance figure is actually a little bit tough. You have to practice it minimum 10 times, I think. Then you can draw it correctly in your answer script in the exam. I think this is confirmed, and this type of question is very important for all of you, and I think we'll get this type of question or credit question will get in the exam. Even it is very important for the board exam also. And then the pi electron of carbon nitrogen double bond is pulled again, and here the electron of actually this negative charge stands for electron density, and this electron is pulled here to produce to form nitrogen oxygen double bond. Nitrogen oxygen double bond. My dear students, from the resonance it can be understood that the electron density of ortho, para and ortho positions is decreased. So ultimately I can say you the electron density of meta position remain unchanged. Finally, the electron density of meta position is more than both of the ortho and para position. That's why the electrophile attacks to the meta position of the nitrobenzene. So if I show you the nitration reaction of nitrobenzene, what will happen? You know that nitration reaction, I mean Nitrobenzene reacts with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. In this case, both of the nitric acid and sulfuric acid are concentrated acid. This nitro group actually combines in the meta position because of the high density of electron in the meta position. So what will be the product? The product will be meta dinitrobenzene. I mean, one nitro group is at the meta position, and all of you know that there is a one hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom combines with OH group. This hydrogen atom combines with OH group of nitric acid to produce water. My dear students, in a sentence, if I say you in a sentence of the answer of this question, it will be actually nitro group decreases the electron density of benzene ring by resonance. As a result, the electrophile attacks to the benzene ring very slowly, so that it is said nitro group is a electron deactivating group. It means if nitro group is bonded with benzene ring directly, then it takes part in the electrophilic substitution reaction slowly. That's why it is said that nitrobenzene shows less reactivity in the electrophilic substitution reaction. My dear students, if you observe the question on J, meta product is obtained by the nitration reaction of compound C. Here actually C indicates aniline. My dear students, all of you know that amino group is a electron activating group. Actually, this is rough. I would like to show you the resonance of amino group shortly. I would not like to show you the whole resonance of aniline. You know that the lone pair electron of amino group is supplied to the benzene ring. As a result, the electron density of benzene ring is decreased. Electron density of benzene ring is decreased, and the electron density is decreased at the ortho and para position. So, as nitro group is a electrophile, I mean nitro group loves electron. That's why nitro group should attack at the ortho-para positions. But it is not happening. Here is my question. Why does it not happen? This is the question. Again, meta product is obtained by the nitration reaction of compound C. Compound C means aniline. According to the resonance, aniline should give orthonitroaniline and paranitroaniline, but it is not happening. Why? Actually, I'd like to see you the nitration reaction of aniline. You can observe the reaction of the strand. However, it, my dear boys, this is nitric acid. This is nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Both of the nitric acid and sulfuric acid are concentrated sulfuric acid. and the hydrogen atom of matter position combines with OH of nitric acid to produce water. And actually hydrogen is replaced by nitro group of nitric acid to produce meta-dinitro benzene. And this is my question. It should be orthonitroaniline and it should be orthonitroaniline and paranitroaniline, but it is produced meta-nitroaniline. But dear students, sorry, it was a little bit wrong. Meta-nitroaniline. This is the question. Actually, if you observe the reaction, you will see that sulfuric acid is used here as catalyst, and it is a stronger acid than nitric acid. Actually, at the first step, you need not write here, just to make you understand easily. I am writing this part. Actually, aniline reacts with sulfuric acid, which is used as catalyst in the nitration reaction. Of course, it is concentrated sulfuric acid to produce anilinium ion. Actually, one proton is given by sulfuric acid, which is accepted by aniline, because all of you know that aniline is a basic in nature. That's why it accepts proton. It accepts proton. It may be anilinium sulfate also, but I have written sulfate separately to make you understand easily. This anilinium ion is actually meta-directing group. So nitro group attacks to the meta position to produce meta-nitroaniline. This is actually the main fact. Actually, the main fact of producing of anilinium ion at the middle position of the reaction, at the middle step of the reaction. Then it converts into again aniline to produce the meta-nitroaniline. My dear student, that's all about the answer of question number D, and this is very important question for your upcoming exam. So my dear students, if you have any question, you can ask it in your Zoom class, in your class teacher also. And in my next lecture, I will discuss about the creative questions and some short questions, knowledge based and comprehensive type questions for your upcoming exam. Goodbye and